Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to link Obsidian and Claude code. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to link Obsidian and Claude code, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Obsidian app, then click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. After that, go to community plugins from the menu and click on browse. Now search for the terminal plugin. Once you find it, click on it and then click on install. Once it is installed, then enable it. This will add a built-in terminal inside Obsidian. After that, close the settings window and return to your workspace. Then look at the left sidebar and click on the terminal icon. From the available options, select integrated terminal so it opens directly inside Obsidian. If you do not see the terminal icon, open the command palette, search for terminal and select open root directory in integrated terminal. This ensures the terminal starts in your Vault's root folder. Now, with the terminal open, type Claude and press enter. This will launch Claude code. If you are already signed in on your computer, Claude may log in automatically. Otherwise, simply follow the prompts and sign into your account. Once Claude code is running, you can use it directly inside Obsidian while working on your notes and projects. You can also resize or pin the terminal panel to make it easier to view while editing your documents. If the Claude command is not recognized, make sure Claude code is properly installed and available on your system before trying again. And that's it. This is how you can link Obsidian and Claude code. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.